We got these $40 yoppers off eBay. Now we're gonna see what we can do with them. You feel me? This the He Got Games. You remember that scene? Don't tell me you forgot that scene, man. All right, let's get into this deep clean. Enough talking.
You're listening to Self Radio.
Alright, deep clean is finished. Let's get into these insoles. We're gonna go to shoestrings a quick rinse to prepare for the washer. Just gonna toss them in the bag. Got a little pocket here on my Restoration bag.
You're listening to Self
We're
Radio.
gonna go ahead and toss these bad bitties in here. Got that clear Amazon detergent pods. Yeah, these come in handy. They get the job done. So we're gonna toss it in there. One in the cold. And then we're gonna do delicates. Let's do it. All right. They didn't come out bad. They look nice. So besides all the little paint, we're gonna knock that out later. But now we finna sit here and prep. We finna get this prep done so we can get that ice look on there. We finna sauce these boys up and throw it in the HULIO 3000-ator. Let's get it.
listening to Self Radio.
All right, that ice done. Look at that ice. Now, we finna sit here and get into the prep. We finna get ready for this repaint. Let's get it. Here you go. That he got game. He got game. Restore. By oh yeah, okay, but restore by your boy. HULIO. With an H though. Not with the J. Now if y'all rocking with it, just hit the subscribe, man. If y'all like the video, hit the subscribe. If you don't, okay, that's cool, that's fine. Make sure you check the description and follow my pages. Get at me.